Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discuss weather in Japanese. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing we are going to be discuss are some basic weather words. What is how we call weather in Japanese is tenki. Tenki. So this is how we write in kanji and this is how we write in katakana. Okay, tenki. How we write sunny, hare. How we write cloudy, kumuroi. How we say rain, ame. Snow, yuki. Wind, kaze. Hot, asui. Cold, sumoi. Samui. Samui. So let's practice them once again. Weather, tanki. Sunny, hare. Cloudy, kumuroi. Rain, ame. Snow, yuki. Wind, kaze. Hot, asui. Cold, samui. So this is some basic words for weathers. Now let's discuss some times of the day, some day times and some what's related to duration or time. Okay, the first is morning, asa. How we say morning? Asa. Asa. Afternoon, gogo. Evening, yugata. So morning is asa, in afternoon, gogo, and evening is yugata. I will say night, yuru. Today is kyo. Tomorrow is ashta. Ashta. Yesterday, kino. Kino. So these are the some words related to time. So now let's discuss the main thing, how we can ask about weather for someone. When we are asking someone, how we can say that what, how's the weather today? How's the weather? The first is we say tenki wa, which is weather. Do desu ka? Do means how. Tenki wa means weather. Tenki wa means weather. Do means how, and this guy how the. Tenki wa, tenki means weather. Dowa means how's the, and this guy means to make it more polite. Okay, so how's the weather? Tenki wa do desu ka? So when I'm asking about weather, I can say tenki wa do desu ka? How's the weather? There are some basic sentence asking about sorry. Now some basic sentence structure. So how can I answer a question, how's the weather? Is this tenki wa hare desu, tenki wa, and whatever I want to add here is going to be the weather of the day. If I'm going to be say that today weather is cloudy, so or rainy or snowy, I'm going to be add those words here, and I will get the related sentence according to my need. So it is sunny, tenki wa hare desu. It is sunny. So if someone asks me that tenki wa do desu ka, I can answer it by using this formula or this sentence. Tenki wa hare desu, tenki wa ame desu. So it is sunny, it is rainy. I can reply it accordingly. So now these are some can related to temperature sentence. These are some sentence. Okay, so it's hot, it's cold, sumoi, asui. I already told you that about some words related to weather, like hot is asui, snow is yuki, sumo is cold. So these are the related words and these are the sentence. I'm just going to use the word and after that is using this. It relatively used to make a sentence more polite, and it's a more formal way to say it. It's hot, it's cold. Just say the word and after it add this. Okay, so now weather plus time. How can I answer the question if someone asks me, Tankiwa do deska, what is weather? I'm going to be I Tankiwa do deska. How can I reply a sentence like that by using time? Okay, so morning is cold. Aseva sumai desu. Aseva sumai desu. So Asiva means morning, Sumai means cold, and this. So morning is cold. And Goko means afternoon. We already know. Goko wa asui desu. Afternoon is hot. Yugata wa sushi desu. Evening is cold. And this is another way to say cold. And this is suzushi desu. Suzushi desu. Now the important thing is let's have a conservational example. Let's see an example. How can a person conserve in times like this? So let's say someone says, "Tenki do desu ka?" How's the weather? So you're going to be replied it, okay? So kyo wa hare desu. It's sunny today. So now I'm going to be ask you a why question. Tenki do desu ka? I'm going to say this, and you are going to be reply me. It's raining in afternoon. So that will be, I'm going to be say that after you giving you a 2 or 3 second answer, okay, gap. So tenki wa do desu ka? So how can a person reply to that? It will be gogo wa ame desu. That will be in afternoon it's raining. It's raining in afternoon, okay? It's sunny, so it will be today in afternoon it's raining if I'm going to need to say that, okay? So Goko wa tenki wa desu ka? This is the question of using time. How's the weather today? I just add a weather here, time. I add weather time in this example, okay? Kayo wa tenki wa do desu ka? How's the weather today? How can a person answer that? Asa wa hare desu. It is sunny in the morning. It is raining in the afternoon. So if I use ame and whatever I need to be use sumoi, whatever kind of temperature I need to be used, the sentence I teach you about weathers, I'm going to be use here and add whatever time going to be add here and add this at that. If I need to question that, I'm going to say add this suka and use some same words and phrases. These are some normal things in question. And you're going to be use this kind of formulas and sentence making a lot. I'm going to be discuss sentence making in further of lectures, objectives and nouns of Japanese in my next lectures. So this is just a topic about how to talk about weather. Okay, Asi desu ne. It's hot, right? Sounds. These are some sentences to sound more natural, more formal way. Okay, Asi desu ne. It's hot, right? Ne means right. Okay, Asui desu ne. Sumui desu ne. It's cold. So this is all for today. These are some normal things that today we discuss is how do we talk about weather in Japanese. After that we discuss some words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, snow, wind, hot, cold. After that we discuss time of the day. After that we discuss asking how to ask a person about the weather, tenki wa do desu ka. After that we discuss how can answer about weather. After that we discuss about some temperature sentence to make it more formal. uh, okay, so how to talk about weather plus time. How can I add weather and time in our sentence? That we discuss about that after it. And then we take some conservation examples here. And that's all for today. And these are some natural and formal way to say that. So this is all for today. If you have any question, please comment me and I going to be see through it if I can solve your problem. Okay. See you in the next lecture. Mata Aishta.